Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on the application of Teams app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above, you can search about Teams and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.